Okay, just an update for those who purchase this lightsaber, maybe on AliExpress or some other shops that offers it on the US. Um, I actually replaced the plastic crystal in here. If you could remember on my previous video, it has like a plastic or acrylic crystal. So you have to learn how to dismantle this saber. So this part here, you can twist this off. You can just take it apart. You'll be left with this whole piece, this one. Then what you need to do is unscrew this 6 screws in here on the sides. After that, unscrew this, the glass button. You also need to unscrew this, including this brass pins here on both sides, and this one, the blade retention screw. So what will happen is you'll be able to take this whole metal off. It will just slide up. Afterwards, you will need to unscrew this. It's an Allen screw. So both of this. And what will happen if you loosen this up, you will be able to rotate this crystal chamber. Now, if you notice on the back, you can see it. It doesn't have this kind of grill in it. You will have bigger access on the back. So once you rotate that, you would be able to take off the crystal. Not really take off, but you need to shave it. I actually use a blade and a knife to actually destroy the crystal and shave it off. And once I'm done, I just pulled it out with a long nose pliers. So then I replace it with a real crystal. This is an amethyst. It looks really cool though. And place hot glue on the back, then assembled it again. So just be careful with the electronics. When you're doing work. So it also glows, but it has cracks in it, just like a real crystal. So it's really nice. So if you're daring enough, you better try this out. Change it with a real crystal, but just leave it as it is if you don't like it. So thanks.